Introducing Peanut and Scarlet. Peanut is a green cheek conure on the left, right here, and Scarlet is a yellow-sided green cheek conure right here. They're cuddling right now. Huh? Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, sweetie babies. Yeah. They're the newest babies, and they come and they sit on your shoulder, and the boys are able to pick them up. Look how pretty you are. I know. What, you got an itch on your foot? Oh my goodness. Oh, what happened? Did the camera scare you? Did the camera scare you? Yeah. This is their little bitty cage they came in. And I think it's too small. But this is where they've been staying. And so I ordered a new cage for them. Over here. It's nice and big and tall, and they have they're just getting used to this top part where they like to sit. They haven't gone in it yet, so I'm gradually gonna move them over there. This is Angel. Now she'll fluff up like a little porcupine here when I get close to her, because she's kind of afraid. Hi, Angel. Can you dance for us? You can. Good girl. You get a peanut. She dances for peanuts. So here, let's get one. Let's get a peanut. She dances for peanuts. That's her first trick. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Now see, you eat it on your foot. Oh, I just love that. So cute. Enjoy your peanut. And then there's lots of action going on here. Oh yeah, it's exciting. You're a good girl. And then over here, this is the, if you can peek in here, this is Vicky and Rabbit, and they are in there, but I don't think you can see them. Maybe you can see an eyeball. They just went in there recently. Oh, there he is. I disturbed him. Hi, Vicky. It's okay. No worries. They just went into their breeder box, so we are excited to see in maybe a week or two that maybe Rabbit will lay some eggs, and maybe we'll have some babies. I will keep you tuned in. It's very exciting here. Jeremiah and Christopher and Ethan are so excited about it. We're going to learn all about parrot eggs. And oh, by the way, these are African gray temnehs. They have the like dark burgundy tail, and they're all gray, like an African gray Congo, but they're a little bit smaller, and they have the burgundy tail. He talks really well. She is not too friendly, but it seems to be that she's a good, maybe she'll be a good mommy. And Angel, she is an African gray Congo. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetie. I know you can dance. You're a good dancer. And she has the bright red tail. She's gray all over. She's beautiful. I think her name suits her perfectly. She's real sweet. She just isn't tame yet, so I'm working with her. And these little guys over here that we started with, they are green cheek conures, and they're breeders. I got them from a breeder that was going out of business. They are the funnest because we are able to interact with them a lot. So we'll see. They're they're probably not going to be doing any nesting or anything too soon because they're going to be relocating to a new cage, acclimating. And you guys are so funny. They're like little clowns. They're always doing something hilarious right now. Guys, what are you doing? Okay, you're cuddling. Are you preening each other? Well, make yourself look good. Yeah. And what's funny about them, this is really